Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve page number 7 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book class first. As you can see on page number 7 there is a picture of fan. We are going to color with the oil pastels and border with the black color. Here we have to draw some lines, curve lines to complete this pattern. Here I am going to take some marks. Where is the beginning point of line and end point of that line? Just make a measure and draw with the pencil. It is very simple to draw. If you want to make changes in that line, you can change it. But here I am going to try do same. Like this we can join that point and make a curved line shape. Like this we can join. Like this we can complete the drawing with the pencil. Afterwards we are going to do the border with the black color sketch pen. If any line is not correct, you can rub that and try to do good one. Okay, now I am able to draw the drawing. Then I give the more pressure and make a dark line. It should be visible. Now our drawing is almost finished. Now I am going to do border with the black color. Here I am using black color sketch pen to do the border. Like this. Okay, now bordering work also finished. Now we are going to start to paint with the different colors. Here which color you have used that colors. When you painting any part, paint outline part first and then paint inside. Like this we can do the coloring with the oil pastel. If you are using a watercolor, that time you have to color it first and do afterwards border with the sketch pen. Those color I use, I am going to keep that side. Like this. Do the outline part first and then paint inside. Follow these steps for all remaining parts. If any white part is there, you can repeat color once again on it and try to paint smooth and plain. Here I am using light green color. Now you can follow this technique and this coloring part with steps and complete the all remaining part. Do the outline part first, then inside, paint it sharp like this. Use different colors. If you don't have the same color shade, you can make changes in that color. Like this we can complete this coloring. Follow the steps and do the coloring. Only few parts are remain. We are going to follow the same technique and complete this worksheet. Page number 7. Afterwards we have different drawing with different colors. Afterwards one by one we are going to solve all pages. Now on top I am going to use red color and downside yellow Walker color sheet. Now after coloring it's look like this. Today we learn page number 7 from Vikas drawing and coloring book, class first. Afterwards we are going to learn next one. Till that time, bye bye everyone.